Today I'm going to be changing oil on a 2011 Chevy Malibu with a 2.4 liter Ecotech engine. And drain the old oil out of the oil pan. While that is draining, you'll want to take your 32mm socket wrench, your long extension, put it right here on the oil filter cap. Take your ratchet, open it, here's your old oil filter. And your new oil filter should come with a new O-ring for the cap. So what you want to do is just take this old O-ring off somehow. You can do it with your hands, but sometimes it's easier with a screwdriver or a pick. Take the new O-ring and put it in its place, just like so. Snap the new oil filter into the cap. Now, you're going to want to take a little bit of your new oil that you got, and put it on the new O-ring. Just make sure that it will seal into place and won't roll over and cause an oil leak or anything. Now, you're going to want to take your new oil filter, place it in, back into the spot. Your cap. Now the torque for these is 24 Newton meters. If you don't have a torque wrench, it's plastic. Don't torque it down too much. Just pretty snug. Like so. Now that your oil is about finished draining, you can put your plug back in. Your ratchet and your socket and snug it up. I suggest moving this very tightly and nice and snug. Take your oil filter cap off. To reset the oil percentage on the computer, first turn the key on. Go to the oil life setting. Click info and the back arrow at the same time. This pulls up oil life reset. When you see the oil life reset, hold the back arrow and it will state acknowledge oil life 100%.